guys, so another video with the same outfit. I don't know which video is going first, but I have done another bag haul recently, so just like before this video I'm making, but I'm not sure which one I am putting first because there are a bunch of videos I've been doing, and some of them I'm keeping in my stash, and I'm just gonna slowly launch them as I can, so it's not so done in my channel or my platform here or whatever I'm putting it in. So long story short, let's just get to what I'm here for. So recently I bought a bag, like I said, that's why you're here for, because the title of. Anywho, so the other bag I bought it from Amazon, and this one right here I got it from Real, and it's a pre-love bag, and it is, I already opened it. Of course, why wouldn't I, because I always like get excited. So it's from Loewe right here, and love it so much. Wait till you see that. You've probably seen it already. This is the color. It's actually very good condition, and this is what it looks like inside. And I am actually in love. I've been eyeing this bag for so long, and I've been wanting to get this bag for so long, but I just wasn't ready if I should. The puzzle bag is just very in last year, and I believe this this is a 2024 collections, and this one is the top handle. Is it top handle? I'll have the description somewhere here, you'll see it. So I got this one. It was $2,398.75, something like that, and originally it was 2,600, so about 300 to 400 ish dollars I saved. Really good condition, has a stamp. It's not been used that much, looks like, or I don't know, hardly ever. But on their website it says that it's a gold hardware. It's actually not true. I wish it was, but I prefer gold hardware. Silver hardware. And so yeah, this is, they have 4 feet just fine, not loosey-goosey or yeah, this one, I don't know, I mean, it's pretty good. I actually do like it a lot. I've been eyeing on this bag for a while, like I mentioned earlier. I am super happy to have her in my life, and I can like now use it for summer. And this is a little darker color, so I probably will be able to use it during Christmas as well. So it's a win-win for me, and I'm in love with this bag. Hope you guys enjoyed my little haul here that I splurged. The reason why I splurged it because our anniversary is coming up. It's next month, but hubby, of course, actually asked me what I wanted. I didn't want anything because I have, alhamdulillah, everything in my life. But of course, it's a little gift he wants to give it to me. And again, it's not it that he wanted me to have. He gave me something else, and he wanted me to have something else, and I'm not going to share those, but this is just one of those things that I splurged on, that I'm sharing with you guys. So yeah, normally, I don't spend so much money on these things, but once in a while I like splurging on these things because it does have a resale value. If you take care of them, you can turn around and sell it back and get your money back somewhat, not too much. So hi. Anyway, so yeah, hope you guys enjoy my video here that I bought, and if you have any question or concern, I'll have the link or the website to Real. It's just their realreal.com. That's all. And then you have to sign up with them, and just from there, just literally browse around and buy whatever you want to buy. They're pretty good on shipping, and they're with the customer service and everything. I do have a very good experience with them. So far, so good. Knock on the wood. Haven't had any problem with them. So yeah, I like buying from them because I don't like to spend like the real money, although it wasn't that much saving. But talking about if you are looking to buy like, you know, Hermes or Chanel or Louis Vuitton, stuff like that, Loewe stuff that is like kind of expensive. Another bag that I actually have I own is a Loewe woven on the bottom part, and the top is leather. It's a cream color one. I will try to put a picture somewhere here. But for that, I purchased this one. I don't know which video is going first, or I have a full video on this one. Brand, it's a JWP right here. And so, you know, Loewe is like $7,000 on their website. But that one, it has resale value. You turn around and you can sell it. But this one, you know, I don't know. But this would do for me for time being. I actually like this one better. I like the chocolate color. I can drag this to during winter time, like the fall season. So yeah, I'm not complaining, and I don't think I should be buying that Loewe. Well, I can find it somewhere else much cheaper, maybe. I am so sorry. I actually almost closed my video without showing you the strap. It did came with the strap. I just looked at it. I completely got carried away because my son called me saying, oh my god, one of my bird eyes doesn't look good. So I just had to stop the video and then ran out there and grab her, and she's right there in the back chilling. So I completely forgot about the strap I was going to show you, and just remember, like, oh goodness, I forgot to show you the strap. This is what it looks like, and it pretty good. Like if you are thinking about doing the crossbody, or you know, on the side of the shoulder, you can just hook it up on the two sides, and yeah, that's all you have to do. Pretty much that's it. And the logos are all intact, no break, no fuss, and no muss. Yeah, so just wanted to come back and add that real quick before I finish the video again. If you see the difference between now and when I was standing up, because of that, this right here, I forgot. So yeah, get back to the video again. So yeah, I will catch you guys on my next video. Till then, you guys take care of yourself, and yes, bye bye.